Ladies and gentlemen, we are here bringing you a 2019 forecast. I hope you guys all had a lovely Christmas holiday. Happy New Year's. But if you enjoy this video, let me know, subscribe, and in the comments below, I'm curious, what do you guys think will be the best performing asset class of 2019? But besides that, we're going to be starting with the US dollar, since this is what everybody starts off looking at. We have a supply zone right up here. We have supply zones being removed. We have demand zones right here. We have a rally-based rally. And we have this current supply zone right here that is holding up price. It almost got tested once. Price came in, based, rallied up, and we got this little bit of demand that might just come down, tap it, and then make its way back up to this supply zone up here. So right now, this is what I'm looking at. If price comes down into here, maybe longer term holds is longer term buys is what I'll be looking at, and selling I'll be looking up here sometime. These are going to just be monthly charts, so let's keep this in mind. We got these levels there. Now, if we go to the Euro USD, we're pretty much going to see the exact same chart, but inversed of each other. So this is already marked out on a smaller time frame. Here was that drop-based rally demand zone that we talked about on the US dollar. So therefore, it's going to be the opposite on supply on the US dollar. So we have a rally-based drop supply zone. Took out these demand zones, makes it even better. It's at the extreme. Then we have this drop-based drop supply zone. We're also in this downtrend too, right? We can connect these. And this is the current demand that's holding it up right here. You can see we have the rally-based rally, and price then continued up. Price came down here, touched it, rebound out. And it's going for that second test now, and it made it further in. So we imagine if there was like 10,000 orders here, just say for example 10,000, 5,000, got bought up, rallied. Now we got to take out the other 5,000. It's not going to have much as a big rally, but you're going to get a pop up, which is exactly what we're getting. USD dollar. Oof, these are already marked out. Sorry about that. Those are on smaller time frames that I probably marked that out. So this is US dollar, USD Japanese yen. We have some supply right up here. We took out. Did we take that out? Let's see. We have a low as 629, 656. So we didn't remove it, but we removed this partial demand right here. So as for demand, we have right down here. This is the best ones. As you can see, very nice drop-based rally. Price came in, tested it, very shallow, came rocketed out, and this is pretty much holding a supply right there. Create a new one, and these are the two supply zones. Oof, I really screwed this up for you guys. I've marked this all out. It's all right. We're gonna look at the Dow Jones, Dow 30. As the market's been absolutely getting sloshed, we remove this demand zone. We're sideways right now. We're currently sitting in this demand zone. This is all kind of just rally base. It's not the best, I don't really like it. It's not the best quality zones, but this is where you're gonna get your move out, and this is exactly what you're seeing. Price came in, it never closed down here, it rocketed straight out. If we're looking for demand, we got this down here and supply up here. So maybe we look into a smaller time frame. Let's go to the weekly. Here we have drop-based drops. This is gonna be selling pressure right up here. Probably gonna get a little pop down, and ultimately we're gonna get sells up in here at the very extreme if price manages to come back up here. But right now, this is exactly what you're getting right now. But right now, this is exactly what you're getting. You're gonna drop-based rally, demand zone being played out right now. This is on the weekly now. So we hit the monthly, go into the weekly. Let's check out the daily. Yeah, price is beginning to turn. Maybe some momentum lines being broken up. Demand being respected down here, trying to get that pop up. This is the S&P 500. This is going to be probably the exact same. We have a level on top of level, rally base drop, base drop. See, yeah, this doesn't even show demand in here. I would avoid that. You have demand there. Rally base rally. We're in the middle of a zone. This is the exact same analysis. We have this drop base drop right here. So for me, I'm going to be looking for selling up in here and buying down here if I decide to buy. Crude is absolutely been getting smashed in the last 2 months. But with that, we created very nice supply. We have supply right up in here. We're sitting now in monthly demand. Drop base rally, not the best, but we're bound to get a little pop up. But if price manages to come down here, this is the better demand down here. Drop base rally, which started this whole rally up. Price managed to get up here, managed maybe look for sells, but right now I think we're going to get a little pop up. My price might manage to get its way back up here, but you're definitely going to get some stalling out here for maybe a couple months before you drop down. See if there's any movement going on. Yeah, still on a downtrend on the weekly. So before you look for buys, maybe look for this to be removed, this supply zone right here, this drop base drop. Yeah, even on the daily, you're beginning to get drop base drop. Probably can't see that. You're getting this drop base drop being removed, creating demand below. It's testing it down below, and now it's starting to take up. Gold. So we're going to see this supply zone right up here, demand zone being played out right here. We have a small amount of demand being played out right here, but I like this down here as this level is being created to this zone to the left here. We have a drop base rally demand zone right here. Very good demand that's being tested out. And this is the fresh supply right now. We're sitting in that fresh supply. Maybe the best opportunity right now is to be looking for shorts. Wait for that confirmation. Now let's go to silver. Let's see. Silver just looks like it's just going to be ready to take off soon. If the market tumbles, you might see silver just absolutely rally. Same with gold. Demand. This is just poor supply right here. I don't like any of this. You have tested supply. You have nothing, no fresh supply holding price. Price rallied back in before it dropped, tested it again. This is not really supply in here at all. If you're really looking for fresh supply, we could easily see $28 silver by the end of the year of 2019. I think it's very possible. We have this whole demand that's holding up the price right now. Nothing great for drawing out levels. Yeah, it's all tested. I'm kind of waiting right now. You can even see on the weekly. There's going to be a lot of support and resistance sellers right up here. But we got price beginning to turn right here. So maybe if price comes back down to 14.6, you're going to get a great buying opportunity to rise this up here and then potentially all the way up. For our last one, let's just check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin monthly, we're sitting in this rally-based rally demand zone with a rally-based rally right below it, which is even better. As for supply, we have supply right here and supply all up in the 20K form. Will it get up there? Oof, I don't know, but I don't think so. But I think you might get a little rally up into the supply, then maybe drop down, or price might drop into this demand before you get a rally. See right now, we're sitting in that monthly demand. We'll go back to it really quick. We're sitting in this rally-based rally, monthly demand zone in Bitcoin, and we see this drop-based drop supply zone holding price down right now. So it's stalling out. It's, began to hit a little drop, but if we can remove this right here, nothing's stopping it from going back up to 6,100. So if we remove that, I think we might, very well easily go up to 5,300, possibly up to 6,200. But that's where you have that monthly supply again. But besides that, guys, appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Leave in the comment below what you guys think will be the best performing 2019 chart asset class in your opinion. Cheers, guys. Thanks.